Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to take up some problems on order and degree of differential equation, right? So here I am going to solve some problems how to find the order and degree of a differential equation, but for more information you can watch my earlier videos on this topic, right? So let us start. So here we have to find the order and degree of this differential equation, right? So here the differential equation is written like this: d over dx of dy over dx, and now this expression can be written as d2y over dx2 is equal to 6, right? So we are given the differential equation in this form, right? So here the original problem is given like this: find the order and degree of this differential equation. So what we will do, before finding out the order and degree of this differential equation, we have to first write this differential equation in this form, right? So this is the main important point or important step in finding out the order and degree of this differential equation, right? So once we have written this d over dx and dy over dx as the second derivative, and which is equal to 6, so then we can find out the order and degree of this differential equation, right? Okay, so now we see that this differential equation has a second derivative, right? So the order of this differential equation is 2, right? Why? Because we know the definition of order of a differential equation. So what is the order? The order of the highest order derivative, the order of the highest order derivative involved in a differential equation is called its order, right? So the highest order derivative is here 2, so the order is 2, right? And now what is the degree of this differential equation? So the degree is the degree of this term, right? That is 1. So let us define the degree of a differential equation. So the degree of a differential equation is the degree of the highest derivative which occurs in it. The degree of the highest derivative which occurs in it after the differential equation has been made free from radicals and fractions, right? Okay, so here the highest order derivative is only d2y over dx2, so its degree will be treated as the degree of this differential equation, right? So the order is 2 and degree is 1. Suppose we are asked to find out the sum of the order and degree, then we have to simply add 2 plus 1, that is 3, right? So the sum of the order and degree of this differential equation is 3, but the order is 2 and degree is 1, right? So let us take one more example. Now let us take this problem. Now here we have to find the order and degree of this differential equation. So here we have d3y over dx3, and here we have 2 over 3 minus d2y over dx2 equal to 0, right? So let us find out the order and degree of this differential equation, right? So we have defined the order of the differential equation as the highest order derivative. So here the highest order derivative is 3, right? So the order is 3, right? So this is simple because here the order of this term or the order of this derivative is 2, but here the order is 3. So the order of the highest order derivative is the order of the differential equation. And let us find out the degree. Now in order to find out the degree, we have to make free this differential equation in terms of radicals and fractions wherever the derivatives occur, right? So here what we have to do, we have to first write this equation like this, right? So taking this term to this side, so we have d2y over dx2, and now we have to make free this differential equation of this term, that is 2 over 3, which is a fraction, or we can say the radical sign, right? So what we will do, we'll take the cube of both sides. So cubing both sides, we have d3y over dx3, and here we have 2, and here we have d2y over dx2, and here we have 3, right? Okay, so now this differential equation is made free from radicals and fractions wherever the derivatives occur, right? So now the degree is given by the degree of the highest order derivative. So the highest order derivative is 3, so the degree is 2, not 3, right? So this is how we find the order and degree of differential equation. Now viewers, let us take one more important problem. So here we have to find the order and degree of this differential equation, which is d3y over dx3 2 over 3 plus d3y over dx3 3 over 2 equal to 0, right? So what is the definition of the order of a differential equation? So the order of the differential equation is the highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation. So here the highest order derivative is obviously 3, right? So third derivative occurs in it, so the order is simply 3. Now we have to find the degree. Now we have just seen that in order to find out the degree of a differential equation, we have to make free the differential equation from radicals and fractions wherever the derivatives occur, right? So here in this third order derivative, we have this radical sign 2 over 3, or the fraction we can say, and here also we have the fraction 3 over 2. So we have to get rid of this fraction. So for this we have to simplify it further. So what we can do, we can write it like this. Okay, so we can take this term to this side, so we have minus d3y over dx3, and here we have 3 over 2, right? Now in order to make free this differential equation of these fractions or radical signs, we have to take the sixth power of both sides, sixth power, and this sixth power comes from the LCM of 3 and 2. See, the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6, right? Because here we have 2 over 3 and here we have 3 over 2. So here we have the denominators 3 and 2 and the LCM is 6. So we can take the sixth power of both sides. So we have d3y over dx3, and here we have 2 over 3 times 6, and here we have minus 1 raised to 6, and d3y over dx3 and 3 over 2 times 6, right? So here we have 4, so d3y over dx3 raised to 4, and here minus 1 raised to 6 is plus 1, so we have simply d3y over dx3 raised to 9, right? Because this is 2 3s are 3 3s are 9. So now what is the definition of degree? So the degree is the degree of the differential equation is the degree of the highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation. So here the highest order derivative is only 3. So here the degree is 4 and here the degree is 9. So out of 4 and 9, the highest degree is 9. So therefore the degree of this differential equation is 9, right? So this is how we find the order and degree of a differential equation.